Today, we're checking out the FineVu GX35, a compact dual dashcam made in Korea. You get 2K QHD in the front, Full HD in the rear, and a features list that punches way above its price. You've got Wi-Fi, GPS, ADAS alerts, Sony Starvis 2 night vision, parking mode, AI damage detection, and app control, no screen, no distraction. Let's get right into it. Alright, so we got the power cable, the front to back camera connection, the rear camera, the front camera, instruction manual, the camera mount clips, there's more clips, and then the filter for the camera is right here, the micro SD adapter, and the GPS that comes with it. So for you guys that wanted to know what's the size, this is my measuring tape, about 3 inches in length, about 1 inch thick, and about 1 3/4 or 1.5 inches, sorry, deep. The rear camera, about 1 inch thick in diameter, and about 1 3/4 inches in length. The design is stealthy and minimal. Matte black, no flashy chrome, no screen. Everything runs through the FineVu app. Once it's set up, pretty much forget it's even there.
We're all super happy with this purchase, and there's so many different options: event summaries, weeks, days. You can go back and check the events that happened. One event on here, you can check the video, download the video, front and back. Organizes everything, you know, really organized. Settings, lots of settings. You can reset a dash cam, choose power options, depends what car you're driving. ADAS safe driving, you can turn off all these speed camera notifications. So if there's a red light camera, it'll tell you a notification. You can turn it on and off. On time notification, mobile alerts, driving tests, lane departure settings. So I turned this off because it just kept making a beeping noise every time I went over the speed, maybe like by 5 kilometers. It's really good feature to have, but I have my Google Maps, which already tells me that, and also the car itself. If it's a high-tech car, it'll just adjust the speed itself. The voice guidance is awesome. Whenever you start recording, it'll tell you. You can hear it instead. If you, in case you hit a wrong button, it'll just tell you what's going on. Recording options, you have 15 frames per second, standard or start time lapse. I just kept it standard. Parking recording is sensitivity is at medium. I left it all at medium because you know, if it's too high, it'll just have too many recordings, and when you want to go through it, it'll just be too many videos you have to go through. I don't keep it on standard. I kept it in high quality. It doesn't waste any battery or anything. This is just a 12 volt, probably 0.05 amps camera. It doesn't waste any, so I'll just put it on high standard. And my memory card is really good, so I kept it all in the memory card. The camera, you can put an HDR. I didn't. But I mean, HDR changes the tone as well. I just kept it a standard. You don't really need to change to HDR. If you want better recording, I would probably just leave it as is. And rear brightness is as standard. You don't want to go too bright because at nighttime all you see is lights. And on environment, there's different environments. Wi-Fi frequency band, I put 5 gigahertz. Faster speed to download from the camera to the phone. The speed limit is kilometers an hour. You have a speed display. You can turn this off, so in case you get pulled over and they want to see the records, you can turn it off. But I just kept it on. I don't really care. But yeah, your timestamp and the speed is there. I'll show you a video right now. It'll show you timestamp. And basically, you can actually put your username. That's really cool. You can put your name in here. So let's put our name, built for tech. Yeah. Oh, you can't have special characters, right? But it worked. So that's really cool. You can have basically your name in there. And rear camera, you can have it flip horizontal or standard. I keep it a standard. Rear security lights, I have it always on. It's blinking. It's cool to have that just in case people know that it's recording at nighttime. People will know that this thing is recording. Status level brightness, I put it on auto, and it will adjust basically to the environment. So memory card, this is another cool thing. Like, it prioritizes driving 70% of the time, as you can see here. 10% for driving events, 15% parking mode, and 5% for parking events, like anything if someone hits your door or something like that. Yeah, this is this is an awesome feature to have it. You can have it overwritten. If you override these cameras, you'll still be able to access some of them. So it says here, if the overwritten restriction is set, the event videos you set will not be deleted, even though your memory card is full and the latest videos are no longer saved. So that's a cool option to have. I would probably actually turn all these on, set override protection. So yeah, that's good. You have event priority, parking priority. It says how much it will allocate to the memory. So 45% is in driving. You can adjust sound off the camera when it tells you, hey, you're reaching a speed camera intersection. I just want to keep it at 2 because when I'm driving and have some music on, at least I want to be able to hear, but not too loud so it bothers me. The mic, you can turn it off right there. If you, let's say if someone is in the car, you don't want to record voices, but mine is always on. Now we go to dashcam files, and you can go to, let's say 3 days ago. Let's just see, let's go back. Yeah, right here. So RE at the end means rear, front is front. So as you can see, I'm driving here and it shows my timestamp at 66 kilometers an hour. So I'm going probably a couple of kilometers over the speed limit. And there's the voltage of the battery. The quality is a little bit grainy because the camera, obviously you need to download the file. So you hit here, download, boom, downloads the file really quick, very easy. There's timestamp, and you can go to the next video. It'll probably show you the rear now. So that's the rear camera, and I'm driving the highway, and you can see it's really clear, really good high definition camera. This is the hours, this is the month and day, and the kilometers right here. It shows you as I'm going a little bit over the speed limit. But yeah, overall I'm really happy with this camera. The quality is amazing. Oh, another cool thing, it grays out the files you've already seen. So that's really cool. You've already seen these 2 files, so it grays them out so you don't have to go and repeat and see them again. There's another one right here. Front camera, sorry. This is daytime. Very good quality. You can actually have a faster speed and download it. And you can share as well. So really, really, really easy to use camera, guys. I'm really impressed with it. And I feel like the app is very quick. It connects really fast. The event summary is one of my favorite things. But yeah, overall, I'm super happy, and I definitely recommend it.
The front camera shoots in 2K QHD with the Sony Starvis 2 sensor. Daylight clips are sharp, license plates are readable, signs look crisp. At night, it shines. The Starvis sensor handles glare, shadows, and low light really well. Plus, HDR helps balance overexposure and dark corners. The rear camera shoots in full HD, plenty for tailgaters and parking. Here's what the GX35 actually offers. Wi-Fi and in the FineVu app, built-in GPS for tracking speed and location, ADAS Plus with forward collision and lane departure alerts, AI impact detection, speed camera alerts, smart time-lapse parking mode, low voltage cutoff, no subscriptions, no add-ons, no gimmicks, just solid features that work. Parking mode is reliable. Someone nudged my bumper while I was parked. The GX35 caught it, saved the clip, and I had it on my phone within seconds. No delay, no guesswork, just done. And hey, if this is the kind of no-nonsense breakdown you came for, hit like and subscribe to Build for Tech. It's free, mildly satisfying, and it tells the algorithm I'm not just talking to myself in a room full of gadgets. Here's what makes this one different. It's plug and play, no GPS nodule to add, no separate app for the rear cam, everything is built in and it just works. Install it, pair it once, and you're done. This is what a dash cam should be. So, should you get it? If you want a dual camera setup with 2K QHD front, FHD rear, real night vision, built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, ADAS, and no monthly fees, the FineVu GX35 is a solid buy. Everything you need is in the box. No surprises, no upsells, just clean performance. This is Built for Tech. And as always, no nonsense. And seriously, hit that like button so I'm not just talking to myself again.